blue now.
Did you get it? Oh, you got the tendon.
Romance. That's gross, Lorena.
It's a tendon.
She got him a real tendon. Do you have the other things?
Yeah.
I want to see the other things.
This is a bully stick, and it's made out of a cow's weenie. They last forever. Not forever, but for a while. They're good for their teeth. And they have big ones, too.
Great. You like it.
And there's another thing, too. It's an antler.
And that went for what?
No, it didn't change.
A deer.
Stay black.
Get it, buddy.
What's that black is nothing. Well, you're nothing. Aw.
Black?
It's not so.
He likes the tendon.